Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coins Collection. Today's video, we take a closer look at this 10 cents coin from South Africa, minted in 1991. This small but significant coin has caught the attention of collectors around the world, and we are here to explore its history, features, and hidden value. The 1991 10-cent coin is part of South Africa's long-standing coinage system, which underwent changes over the decades. This particular coin comes from a period after the end of the apartheid era, a time when the country was moving toward democratic transformation. Coins from this time carry not just monetary value, but also historical significance. The 10-cent coin from 1991 was issued by the South African Reserve Bank and minted by the South African Mint. It was part of the second decimal series introduced in the 1980s. The coin was used in everyday transactions, but only a few people noticed its fine detailing and potential rarity. Made of nickel-plated copper, this coin has a silvery appearance. It measures 19 millimeters in diameter and weighs approximately 2.5 grams. Its edge is plain, giving it a smooth finish. This small piece of metal has traveled through time with a message embedded in its design. On the obverse side of the coin, you'll find the image of the South African coat of arms used between 1910 and 2000. It symbolizes the unity of the South African provinces and carries the nation's motto in Dutch, Ex Unitate Vires, which means unity is strength. Surrounding this emblem is the name of the country inscribed in both English and Afrikaans. The reverse side of the coin features the image of a protea flower, South Africa's national flower. This beautiful botanical design was created by artist Tommy Sassine, who designed several South African coins. The words 10C in the year 1991 are clearly marked beneath the floral design. Though the coin was widely circulated, many of the 1991 issues were worn down by everyday use. Finding one in mint or uncirculated condition is increasingly rare. This scarcity is what drives its interest among collectors, especially those focusing on African or Commonwealth coinage. Interestingly, some versions of the 10-cent 1991 coin have been found with errors, such as doubling on the numbers or a misaligned die, which greatly enhances their appeal. Error coins like these are always in high demand in numismatic circles because of their uniqueness and limited quantity. Collectors often seek out coins like this one for their historical context, design quality, and numismatic value. It may seem like a small denomination, but its story adds considerable weight. A coin that was once used for buying small items now sits in collector displays around the world. Now, let's talk about its value. While the standard 1991 10-cent coin may only fetch a few dollars depending on its condition, some rare error versions or coins graded as mint state by professional grading agencies have reportedly been valued much higher. In extremely rare cases, coins claimed to be exceptionally rare or error-laden have been listed online for figures up to $10 million. These prices are not standard but reflect speculative or collectible interest. So always verify authenticity and grading before making any purchase. It is important to be cautious when discussing such high valuations. Coin prices can vary drastically depending on the market, buyer interest, and verified rarity. Just because a coin is listed for millions doesn't mean it is sold for that amount. Still, the intrigue adds to the mystery and excitement of the coin collecting world. Many collectors around the globe are now turning their attention to African coins, especially those from transitional periods like the early 1990s in South Africa. This 10-cent coin stands as a quiet witness to that era and remains an accessible yet captivating piece of history. If you come across one of these coins, check its condition, verify if there are any minting errors, and consider getting it graded. A small investment in preservation could lead to surprising returns if your coin is truly rare. Preserving coins properly is also key. Store them in protective holders and avoid cleaning them, as that can damage the surface and lower their value. Always handle coins by the edges and consult a numismatic expert when in doubt. This coin 10-cent 1991 South Africa coin history. This coin 5-cent coin from South Africa, minted in the year 1990. This coin may look ordinary at first glance, but it holds layers of historical and numismatic interest. The 5-cent 1990 coin is part of South Africa's long and evolving coinage history. This particular coin belongs to the decimal series that was introduced after South Africa switched to the rand currency in 1961, replacing the South African pound. The 1990 coin was issued during a significant transitional period in South African history, just before the end of apartheid. That context gives this coin not only monetary value but also historical depth. Every detail on this coin tells a story. Struck in bronze-plated steel, the 5-cent coin from 1990 is relatively small, with a diameter of 19.41 millimeters and a weight of 3 grams. Its compact size and reddish color give it a distinct appearance, easily recognizable to collectors. The obverse of the coin features the coat of arms of South Africa as it existed in 1990. Above the emblem, you will see the word SUID Africa and South Africa to denote the country name in both Afrikaans and English. Beneath the arms is the year, 1990. The reverse side carries the denomination, the numeral 5, and an iconic image of the blue crane, South Africa's national bird. The bird is elegantly posed in flight, giving the coin a graceful yet powerful aesthetic. The initials of the engraver, ALS for Arthur Sutherland, may be visible on some versions. This coin had a very high mintage, which means millions were produced. However, not all 1990 coins are the same. There are known variations, including proof and specimen issues, and coins with mint errors. These are where things get interesting for collectors. Coins in circulation grade condition are usually not very valuable. However, uncirculated, proof, or error coins can fetch higher prices. The value jumps significantly if the coin is in pristine, mint state condition or if it has some unique minting defect. Now let's talk about value. A regular circulated 1995 cents coin from South Africa may only be worth a few cents up to a couple of dollars. However, rare variants, such as mint errors, proof coins, or highly graded MS, mint state, versions, can be valued significantly higher. Some sellers have listed pristine and unique examples for several $1,000s, though final sale prices depend on market demand and collector interest. In rare cases, exceptional specimens with documented provenance or errors have been rumored or speculated to have values reaching up to $5 million. While such claims are often inflated for publicity, if a coin does show significant historical or physical rarity, it's not impossible for serious collectors to offer extraordinary amounts for a coin to reach such high value. It must typically be authenticated by a professional grading service like NGC or PCGS. It should ideally be in mint condition, possibly have a visible and unique error, and come with proper documentation. These factors together can dramatically elevate a coin's worth in the numismatic community. Collectors should always be cautious and do proper research. Scams and counterfeit coins exist, especially when money is involved. It's always advisable to deal through reputable platforms and ensure the coin has been professionally evaluated. Owning a 1995 cent South Africa coin in good condition is a beautiful way to hold onto a small piece of African history. Whether you're a new collector or a seasoned enthusiast, coins like these offer a rewarding glimpse into the culture, politics, and artistry of their time. The value of coins isn't just in currency or metal. It's in the stories they carry, from national birds and coats of arms to the deeper stories of a country's past. This coin represents a time of change, and that gives it a symbolic weight far beyond its small size. If you come across one of these coins, look closely at the details. A small mint mark, a double strike, or an unusually shiny surface might be the clue to a rare find. You could be holding something far more valuable than you thought. So next time you check your old coin jar, don't overlook this coin. 5 cents coin, 1990 South Africa history. It might be more than just a coin. It could be a treasure waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Old Coin Z Collection.